Samsung reliably unveils its Galaxy S series phones in the first half of each year, a tradition it's upheld since 2010. Given this history, there's no need for speculation about the debut of new Samsung phones. Following the release of the Galaxy S24 in 2024, it's reasonable to anticipate the arrival of the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus in 2025. While official pricing won't be disclosed until the phones are formally announced next year, we can estimate potential costs based on recent trends and factors like inflation. For instance, considering the pricing trend of the latest phones, we can project the following estimates for the Galaxy S25. Galaxy S25, 128 gigs, $799.99. Galaxy S25, 256 gigs, $859.99. Galaxy S25 Plus, 256 gigs, $999.99. Galaxy S25 Plus, 512 gigs, $1,119.99. However, these figures are subject to change based on hardware upgrades and production costs, particularly considering the expected inclusion of a more expensive processor. Pre-orders for the Samsung Galaxy S25 will likely commence upon the phone's official announcement early next year. The devices will likely run on Android 15 with the One UI 7 skin, supported by updates for 7 years. Anticipated features include Gemini Nano 2, an updated version of Google's on-device artificial intelligence model, enhancing various phone functionalities. Seamless updates. Background updates allowing uninterrupted use of the phone during OS installations, a departure from past Samsung practices. Processors. The US variant may feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, while the global variant may utilize the Exynos 2500, offering faster RAM support. Increased RAM. Rumors suggest the base model may have 12 gigs, with the Plus model potentially increasing to 16 gigs, facilitating faster artificial intelligence operations. Display size. Speculation hints at a slight increase in screen size for the Galaxy S25. Camera sensors. There's speculation about the incorporation of Sony's LTIA sensors, potentially enhancing camera capabilities. Faster storage. Doubling the speed of hard drives to 8 gigs/, benefiting overall performance. Charging capabilities. The phones may continue to support fast wired charging at 25 W, with the possibility of adopting the QE2 wireless charging standard. Overall, while leaks and rumors provide early insights, certain features and specifications may evolve leading up to the official release of the Galaxy S25 series. Introducing the standard Galaxy S25, equipped with a 6.2-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display boasting a resolution of 2340x1080 and protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for durability. For selfies, it features a 12-megapixel punch-hole front camera. Turning to the back, the phone features a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. It will be powered by either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or the Exynos 2500. The device offers 8 gigs of RAM with storage choices of 128 gigs or 256 gigs, utilizing UFS 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S25 houses a 4,000 mAh battery, supporting 25-watt fast charging. Connectivity options include 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Operating on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, the phone is expected to be released in January 2025 with an estimated price range of $800. Now let's introduce the Galaxy S25 Plus, featuring an impressive 6.7-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with an upgraded Quad HE Plus resolution of 3088x1440. It incorporates Samsung's advanced M13 OLED panel, safeguarded by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and reinforced with aluminum 2.0 for added durability. For selfies, a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera takes the spotlight. On the back, you'll find a powerful camera setup with a 50 megapixel primary lens, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10 megapixel telephoto lens. It's equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or the Exynos 2500. The phone offers a substantial 12 gigs of RAM with storage choices of 256 gigs or 512 gigs, utilizing UFS 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S25 Plus features a robust 4,900 mAh battery supporting 45-watt fast charging. Connectivity options include 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Operating on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, the expected price for this device is around $1,150. Finally, let's explore the flagship of the lineup, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Showcasing a generous 6.9-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a crisp resolution of 3088x1440, it incorporates Samsung's advanced M13 OLED panel safeguarded by the durable Gorilla Glass Victus 2. For capturing stunning selfies, there's a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera. On the back, the phone features an outstanding camera setup, including a 200-megapixel primary lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 50-megapixel 3x telephoto lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with an impressive 10x optical zoom. Contrary to earlier rumors, it is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 across all regions, distinguishing it from the S24 and S24 Plus, which stick with the Exynos. The S25 Ultra offers a substantial 12 gigs of RAM with storage choices of 256 gigs, 512 gigs, and 1 TB, leveraging UFS 4.1 technology. Housed within is a robust 5,000 mAh battery supporting swift 45-watt fast charging. Connectivity features encompass 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Operating on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, this premium device is anticipated to launch with an approximate price tag of $1,199. Take all this info with a pinch of salt. If you find any mistakes or missing information in the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra specifications, please tell us. We're working hard to make sure everything is accurate, but sometimes errors can happen. Your feedback helps us improve. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next video. Peace out.